latest on Cyclone Dumazile, which currently has winds of 90 miles an hour, that's 150 kilometers per hour, and a pressure of 963 millibars at 6 p.m. Réunion time on March the 4th. It's currently at 18.6 degrees south, 50.8 degrees east, and a cyclone pre-alert remains in effect for La Réunion. The storm is just off the coast of Madagascar, which is probably receiving tropical storm force winds right now, and you can see on the graphic over the next few days the storm will keep to the west but may still deliver tropical storm conditions, gale force winds to both the Réunion and Mauritius as we enter the early part of this week. The storm is going to move through quickly though, which means that by the later part of the week, Thursday and Friday, it will be long gone, hopefully, and will turn post-tropical far to the south. So, looking at the windfield, it's quite a large one, especially to the east, and that's going to be a defining feature. It's a stage 4 on the CDPS scale right now, which means that extensive damage is likely near the center of the storm, and you can just about make out Réunion near the bottom right hand corner of the image there in relation to the storm, not too far away. So looking over the next 2 days, chances of tropical storm conditions just over half over the island really, especially on Monday, and then into Tuesday the chances will slowly start to decrease as the storm passes, and then by the end of Wednesday skies will certainly be clearing up. Lots of rain on Monday and Tuesday, and then Thursday and Friday looking much drier for Réunion, some clear skies perhaps as well, and certainly no indication of the storm. But obviously the next few days it's the beginning part of the week that we're looking at for this. Sea surface temperatures are fairly warm, 28 or 29 degrees, maybe even touching 30 to the west of the island, and much warmer sea surface temperatures where the storm is right now, which is allowing this rapid intensification phase to occur, as is the very low amounts of wind shear. That's very good news for the storm, not good news for anyone in its way. The higher amounts of wind shear marked in red near the bottom there. Wind shear kills storms, so we sort of need it right now. So here it is on the satellite imagery, the latest visible from today so far. You can see an eye beginning to develop as we take a look at the infrared now, and not particularly organized yet, but it really is starting to organize itself, and it could have some serious strength by the time we get into tomorrow, depending on what exactly it does and whether it gets too close to land to Madagascar. It might start to impede the storm, but at the moment it's still looking very good, ominously good for the storm right now. We'll keep you up to date with any more updates. Stay tuned. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker, up to date at any time. You can also find our YouTube page and subscribe if you haven't already, search Force 13. You can like our page on Facebook under the same name, and you can also follow us on Twitter, at Force 13 is the handle. You can also send a message on Skype to the official account on Force 13 or to my personal account on Discord at Fool13 extension 9094 for tropical weather chat.